In this question, this is one fraction, a rational number in the denominator. So rationalize this separately. This is second fraction, rationalize it separately. Again, this is 1 minus 2 minus root 5, 1 by root 2 minus root 5, rationalize it separately. So it is 1 by 2 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3 by 2 minus root 3 plus 2 divided by root 5 minus root 3. This is second fraction. This is first fraction. We are rationalizing separately. This is second fraction. So you have to multiply here with root 5 plus root 3 divided by root 5 plus root 3. Again, plus the last fraction, 1 by 2 minus root 5 into 2 plus root 5 divided by 2 plus root 5. Now multiply them separately and find the answer. 1 into 2 minus root 3 is 2 minus root 3 divided by 2 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3, that is a plus b into a minus b, will become a square minus b square. A square is 4, b square is 3, plus this is 2 into root 5 plus root 3 divided by root 5 minus root 3 into root 5 plus root 3, that is root 5 square minus root 3 square, that is 5 minus 3, plus 1 into 2 plus root 5, 2 plus root 5 divided by 2 square 4 minus root 5 square 5. Here it is 4 minus 3 is 1, 2 minus 3. Here it is 5 minus 3 is 2. So this 2 and numerator 2 get cancelled. This 2 and this 2 cancel. Plus.
I got the answer.
Oh. I got the. This is minus 1. This minus applicable to the numerator. 2 minus root 3 plus root 5 plus root 3 minus 2 minus root 5. So 2 minus 2 cancel. Minus root 3 plus root 3 cancel. Root 5 minus root 5 cancel. Answer is equal to 0.
Ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, for today's test, I have 2 graph papers. Is that enough or should I print more?
If you do in that 2 to 3, 3, if you do, then okay, that is enough.
So I'll keep one. I'll print one now.
Total. Okay.
Okay.
Ma'am, today's test is after the class, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ma'am, is it on the different ID or?
Yeah,
this
different ID. It is different ID.
Okay.
Completed this question?
Yes, ma'am.
Madhushri, Madhushri, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So now trying doing faster.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am?
Yeah.
What is the meeting ID for today's test?
I will at the end of the class, I will tell you.
Okay.
The other one, what I am giving you, keep on giving you, the same.
Okay, ma'am.
Now in this one also, separate rationalization of this and this. So this one, Aditya, are you there? Can you tell me how to rationalize this part?
Ma'am,
Yes.
multiply it with root 5 plus root 3.
Root 5 plus root 3 divided by root 5 plus root 3. Okay. Second part.
Is multiplied by root 5 minus root 3.
I got the answer.
So here the same number 2 times multiplication, that means the square of this number, root 5 plus root 3 whole
The
square,
whole square.
divided by a minus b into a plus b. So a square minus b square. That is a square is 5, b square is 3. Plus root 5 minus root 3 whole square divided by a square minus b square. Root 5 plus root 3 whole square is a square plus b square plus 2 root ab by 2 plus a square plus b square minus 2 root ab divided by 2. Denominator same, we can add 8 plus 2 root 15 plus 8 minus 2 root 15 by 2. Answer is 16 by 2, that is 8 is the answer. Okay.
Mom, I got the answer.
Yeah, I got the answer.
What's the answer you got?
Mom, I got minus 7 to 5.
I got the answer root 5.
And even I got root 5.
Root 5 is the answer. These questions are 4 markers, so do slowly and properly. There should not be any chance of any mistakes. So here separately rationalize 7 plus 3 root 5 divided by 3 plus root 5 into one question of this kind, that is 2 fractions. 4 markers, one question will be there. 3 minus root 5 divided by 3 minus root 5 minus 7 minus 3 root 5 divided by 3 minus root 5 into 3 plus root 5 divided by 3 plus root 5. Multiply here. There is no a plus b or a minus b will not work out. So directly binomial to multiply. 7 into 3 minus root 5, that is 21 minus 7 root 5. 3 root 5 into 3 minus root 5, that is 9 root 5 minus root 5 into root 5, 5 3s are 15 divided by 9 minus 5 minus 21 plus 7 root 5 minus 9 root 5 minus 15 divided by 9 minus 5, that is 4. The denominator are same, directly we can add or subtract the numerator. First simplify the numerator. 21 minus 15 is 6 plus 2 root 5 by 4 minus 6 minus 2 root 5 by 4. Six plus 2 root 5 minus 6. This minus is applicable to this also. So it is plus 2 root 5 divided by 4. So it is minus 6 plus 6 cancel. 2 root 5 plus 2 root 5 is 4 root 5 by 4. This 4 get cancelled. Answer is root 5. Anurag, where you done mistake?
Ma'am, I went wrong in the like multiplying binomials.
Daphne, you got the answer?
आदित्य कृष्णा तो सर पढ़ा है ना?
हाँ
टेस्ट नहीं आया।
नहीं सर नहीं पढ़ा है।
नहीं पढ़ा तो उसकी वीडियो चला दो ना फिर इसलिए।
हाँ तो उन लोगों को करना होगा सबको।
उन लोगों को एक दिन होमवर्क करना ही नहीं है, वीडियो चलाना वो तो पड़ेगा। सीधा हो जाए जो सब कुछ।